Have you been wondering what's been causing the cold weather and all the yucky conditions this week across Kentucky and the eastern half of the U.S.? I've got answers in tonight's Bluegrass Weather Report. Welcome, I'm Meteorologist Shane Smith. It is May 1st, 2023. Hope you are doing well. And we've been seeing some nasty weather across the Commonwealth today. It's been cold, it's been raining. That rain pushing southward tonight. We've got a few broken showers starting to approach Highway 80 and the Hal Rogers and Cumberland Parkways in northern Kentucky in the steady rain. And we zoom the big picture out, and you can see most of the eastern half of the U.S. dealing with rain. And up in the Great Lakes, snow. Say it ain't snow. Yeah, it's snow. And they're going to see snow even as close by to our neighbors over in West Virginia over the next couple of nights. There may be a few snowflakes, especially up in the high terrain around Snowshoe. They may get a pretty good little snow in the highest of elevations. And it's all thanks to this really unique weather pattern going on right now called an omega block. And you've probably heard some of the folks in the weather community talking about this. An omega block is a pattern of weather where the jet stream forms the shape of the Greek letter omega. You guys know that little U shape with the curly hooks? That's the omega symbol. And right now, the jet stream, that river of air that guides our weather up about 30,000 feet in the atmosphere, is shaped like an omega right on top of the eastern half of the U.S. I've got it highlighted in that green line. An area of low pressure cut off centered around Toronto, Canada right now. And this cold air funneling down straight from the North Pole and just wrapping in to this cold core low pressure system and just causing really nasty conditions. And it's not going anywhere. These omega blocks, once they set up shop, can stick around for days, if not a week and a half, week or two at a time. So how long are we going to see this nasty weather? Well, let's talk about it. Let's first go to the GFS model, the Global Forecasting System. And it's showing just nasty conditions across eastern Kentucky, northern Kentucky tonight. The rain should move out early Tuesday. I'm not going to rule out a scattered shower or two on Tuesday. I know the GFS isn't as excited about the chances, but with that northwest flow and that upper level low off to our north and that flow off that omega block, I think there's a decent shot of just off and on showers and overall cloudy and cool conditions on both Tuesday and again Wednesday. And you'll notice that blue showing up over in West Virginia. Yes, that is snow. They may see a couple inches in the highest of elevations. We'll see things start to change a little bit, though, towards Oaks Day. A lot of folks looking forward to the Kentucky Oaks and the Kentucky Derby. Well, showers on Oaks Day in Louisville during the afternoon, according to the GFS. Sorry about that, folks. Will we get that rain out of here in time for the Derby? Well, the GFS is saying maybe. The latest run of it is keeping some showers in central Kentucky, trying to push them out by early evening. Hopefully we'll get that rain out of the Louisville metro area by the time we run for the Roses on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we should have a few scattered showers and then warmer conditions for most of next week. Let's take a look at the European forecast model. It's showing a very similar picture overall. Notice that rain flowing counterclockwise around that low the next couple of days, just cool weather sticking around. A little bit of snow in the high terrain of West Virginia. High pressure builds in late week on Thursday. Gives us one decent day before that warm front on Friday. It is keeping Oaks Day dry up until early afternoon, and then the rain moves in. So for you Oaks fans, not looking great by either forecast model, although the European a little quicker getting those showers out of here Saturday morning. I hope it is right instead of the GFS, so we have a mainly dry Derby, at least during the Derby festivities, and it's bringing showers and storms back into the picture on Sunday, followed by a big warm-up. Speaking of big warm-ups, look at the long-term forecast here according to the GFS forecast model. We're in the 50s again tomorrow. We may deal with a bit of patchy frost Wednesday and Thursday morning. Highs should return to the 60s for Thursday and Friday. And then Derby Saturday, 70 is a chance, especially if we can clear those showers out of here early. 70s next week for most of the week, a little bit of a cool down midweek, and then 80s by next weekend. Fingers crossed, friends. Fingers crossed. I know I'm hoping for some warm weather, and I think we have at least a shot of it. So that is all we have. I hope you have enjoyed tonight's forecast. If you find value in what we're doing here on the Bluegrass Weather Report, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, and that will give you an update every time we do a new forecast here. We'll have another update coming up later in the week, and you can catch me on WKYT this weekend. I'll be on the Saturday and Sunday morning newscast. Hope to see you there. Take care, friends, and until next time, stay weather aware.